So it's quite important.
All right, let's see how that pans out in the coming days. Moving on, the ongoing construction of the 3.5 billion meter gauge railway line from Mai Mahiu Industrial Park to Longonot town will be complete in June this year, 3 months ahead of the set dates. This will pave way for collection of goods from the nearby inland container depot for onwards transportation to neighbouring countries. This came as the government announced that the ongoing rehabilitation of the Nairobi Malaba railway line was in high progress despite outcry by members of the public over the ongoing demolitions.
Government to ensure complete connectivity from the port of Mombasa to Malaba. As you know, we completed phase 1 of the SGR, which ends up in Nairobi, a distance of 472 kilometers. And then we extended that line to Naivasha, where we are right now, SGR, another distance of about 150 kilometers. And so, as we plan for the future SGR, we thought it was important to make sure that there was a complete connectivity from Mombasa all the way to Malaba.
The MGR will start working this year. That is something to celebrate. Right. And it's going to really improve the interconnectivity of these counties all the way to Lake Victoria.
Smallholder maize farmers in Migori County and its environs are set to boost their yields after the county government partnered